Well, I'm walking down Bridge Street, tip my hat to the A3. The sun's just gone down. The headlights on the cars are picking out the rain and the spray, and God knows I need a drink. I look down at the river across the rail track, and I'm in the bar before I know it, searching my pockets for a blue spot and a handful of change.
Saddest thing, all I need is the gin. Don't need much, just enough to keep the screaming in. I can hear the traffic and the freight trains passing through. They shake the ground beneath my feet, remind me what I don't do. You gotta help me, baby, gotta turn it all around. I'm in the bar on Bridge Street, and the rain's come down. I ain't got no conscience, I ain't got no home, I ain't got no time to think, I ain't got no soul, yeah. Nobody's listening. The world keeps on turning, but some of us are missing. Got no cash in my wallet, no soles on my shoes, no plans for the future. I got nothing to lose. So gotta help me, baby, gotta turn it all around. I'm in the bar on Bridge Street, and the rain's come down. Ain't got no conscience, I ain't got no soul, I ain't got no mind, I ain't got no home, yeah. There's mud on the sheets, there's stains on the mattress, but I still can't get no release. No glass in the window, there's blood on the floor. The fridge is empty, there's no lock on the door. Well,